children, welcome to our channel General Learnings. In this video, you are going to learn addition word problem. Some of the addition words to solve word problem easily. That are sum, altogether, all, in all, together, total, total number, many, add, increase, increased by, more than, etc. If these words are present in the problem means we can easily find out and we should do addition. Let us look at few example. There are 723 students in school A and 546 students in school B. What is the total number of students in both the schools? So here they have given a hint as total number. So we should add the numbers. First we need to write the statement. In school A there are 723 students. In school B 546 students. Now we are going to find out how many students are in both the schools. First we need to arrange the number vertically. Here it is 3-digit number. So we should write the place values from ones place. So ones, tens, 100. So we need to arrange the number from ones column towards the left. So 3, 2, 7, 6, 4, 5. Now we are going to add this number. First add the digit in ones column. So we should keep 6 on our mind. We should add 3 more digit after 6. So after 6 will be 7, 8, 9. So 3 plus 6 is 9. Next we need to add the tens column. So we should keep 4 on our mind. We need to add 2 more digits after 4. That is 5, 6. So 2 plus 4 is 6. Next we need to add the 100th place. We should keep 7 on our mind. Then add 5 more digits after 7. So after 7 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 7 plus 5 is 12. So this one should be placed in the thousands place. So totally there are total number of students in both the schools will be 1269. Let us see one more example. A bookseller sold 297 books in the first week and 186 books in the second week. How many books did he sell in both the weeks? So here they have given hint as many. So if we have found many means we should add the numbers. For that we should write the statements first. In first week, how many books he has sold? 297 books. In second week, 186 books. Now we are going to find out how many books he has sold in both the weeks. First we need to arrange the number vertically. For that we need to write the place value. Here it is 3-digit number. So we are going to write the place value as ones, tens, 100. Now we are going to arrange the number from ones digit towards the left. 7, 9, 2, 6, 8, 1. Now we are going to add these numbers. First we are going to add the ones digit. So we should keep 7 on our mind. Next we need to add 6 more digits after 7. So after 7 will be 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 7 plus 6 will be 13. So this one should carry forward to the tens place before 9. Next we need to add the tens column. We should keep 9 on our mind. Then we need to add 8 more digits after 9. So after 9 will be 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 9 plus 8 is 17. Next we need to add the carried forward number 1 along with this 17. So 17 plus 1 will be 18. So 1 plus 9 plus 8 will be 18. This 1 should carry forward to the 100 place about 2. Next, we need to add this 100th place. We should keep 2 on our mind. Then after 2 will be 3. Next, we need to add this carried forward number 1 along with this 3. So 3 plus 1 will be 4. So 1 plus 2 plus 1 will be 4. So how many books he sold? The bookseller sold 483 books in both the weeks. Next, we will see another one example. 243 people went to see a flower show on Monday and 125 people went to see the show on Tuesday. How many people went to see the flower show on Monday and Tuesday? So here they have given the hint as many. So we should add the numbers. Now we are going to write the statement first. On Monday there are 243 people went. On Tuesday, they have 125 people went. So now we are going to find how many people went on both Monday and Tuesday. So first we need to arrange these numbers in vertically. For that we need to write the place value first. So here it is 3-digit number. So we are going to write the place value as ones, tens, 100. Next we are going to write the digits from starting from one's column towards left. So 3, 4, 2, 5, 2, 1. Now we are going to add this number. First we are going to add the digits in one's column. First we need to keep 5 on our mind. Next we need to add 3 more fingers after 5. So after 5 will be 6, 7, 8. So 3 plus 5 will be 8. Next we are going to add the tens column. We should keep 4 on our mind. Then we need to add 2 more digits after 4. So after 4 will be 5, 6. So 4 plus 2 is 6. Next we are going to add the 100th digit. We should keep 2 on our mind. Then we need to add one more number to the 2. So after 2 will be 3. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So 368 people went to see the flower show on Monday and Tuesday. Now we will see another one example. Deep had rupees 1035. His father gave him a rupees 480 more. How much money does Deep have now? So here they have given hint as much. So we should add the numbers. For that we should write the statement first. So money with Deep. How much money Deep had? He had 1035. So how many money his father given? His father given us rupees 480. So now we are going to find in total how much money does Deep have. For that we should arrange the number vertically. First we need to write the place value. See here it is 4-digit number. So the place value will be ones, tens, 100 and 1000 because here it is 1035 which is a 4-digit number. So now we are going to write the numbers from ones digit towards the left. So 5, 3, 0, 1. Next 8, 1, 4. Now we are going to add this number. First we are going to add the ones digit. So we should keep 8 on our mind. So next we need to add 5 more digits after 8. So after 8 will be 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 5 plus 8 is 13. This one should carry forward to the tens place before 3. So now we need to add the tens column. We should keep 3 on our mind. Then we need to add one more digit along with 3. So after 3 will be 4. So next we need to add this carried forward number 1 along with this 4. So after 4 will be 5. So 1 plus 3 plus 1 will be 5. Next we need to add the 100 digit. Here it is 0 plus 4. We should always remember any number we are adding with 0 means we will get the number itself as the answer. So here 0 plus 4 will be 4. Next we are going to add the thousands place. In thousands place we are having only one number, that is 1. So we are going to write the number as it is. So Deep has rupees 1453. Next we will see another one example. A Joy has 138 orange marbles, 264 green marbles, and 321 blue marbles. What is the total number of marbles with Ajoy? So here they have given hint as total number. So we should find the addition. So Ajay had orange marble as 138. Green marble as 264. Then blue marble as 321. Now we are going to find the total number of marbles. Here it is 3-digit number. So we are going to arrange the number vertically. So now we are going to place the place value as ones, tens, 100. Okay, now we are going to write the numbers. So always we should write the numbers starting from ones digit towards the left. So 8, 3, 1, 4, 6, 2, 1, 2, 3. Next we are going to add this number. So we are going to add the ones digit. So we should keep 8 on our mind. We should add 4 more digits after 8. So after 8 will be 9, 10, 11, 12. Next we need to add plus 1. So 12 plus 1 is 13. So 8 plus 4 plus 1 will be 13. So this 1 should carry forward to the tens place above 3. Now we are going to add the tens place. So we should keep 6 on our mind. Then we need to add 3 more digits after 6. So after 6 will be 7, 8, 9. Next we need to add 2 more digits after 9. So after 9 will be 10, 11. Next we need to add this carried forward number along with this number. So after 11 will be 12. So 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 2 will be 12. This 1 should carry forward to the 100 place above 1. Now we are going to add the hundreds digit. So we are going to keep 3 on our mind. Next we need to add 3 more digits after 3. So after 3 will be 4, 5. Next we need to add plus 1. So after 5 will be 6. Next we need to add this carried forward number along with this number. So after 6 will be 7. So 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 will be 7. So in total Ajoy has 723 marbles. I hope you understand this concept. If you want more videos like this, please like and subscribe our channels. Thank you.